Hey friends, welcome to my channel. So what can be a better time to give some nourishment to your skin as we all are sitting at home because of this quarantine. And I'm sure, just like me, might be some of you also running out of some of the skincare product because of this long lockdown period. So that's why I thought let me give you some of the DIY which work really well on my skin. And don't worry guys, the ingredient which I will be using for today's DIY will be easily available in your pantry. Before starting the video, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and hit the bell notification next to it so that whenever I upload a video, you get notified. So any further ado, let's get into video. My skincare is basically divided into 5 parts: face wash, cleansing, exfoliating, mask, and then moisturizing. So let's start. I'm already done with my face wash. You can use any of the face wash which you want. Just make sure one thing: whenever you are doing anything with your face, be it makeup or skincare, you just have to clean your face thoroughly, and after that you have to pat dry your face with some towel. You don't have to rub it, but you just have to pat dry so that the water gets soaked into the towel. Now let's talk about the second step, cleansing. For cleansing, we'll take 2 spoons of curd, half a spoon of coconut oil, and then we'll mix it thoroughly. And for this step, I prefer to use my hand to mix it thoroughly first and then applying it to my skin. And I generally prefer to take homemade curd for cleansing, because homemade curd don't have any kind of preservative. You can take the market one also if you don't have any option, but if you have option, just take the homemade curd, and you have to massage it on your face thoroughly. Curd is full of calcium, vitamin D and protein, which will help your skin brightening from inside. We have to massage this on our face in circular motion for 1 or 2 minutes, and then we will wash our face with running water. So let me quickly wash my face and I will be back for my exfoliating process. So I'm back again and I have washed my face with the running water, and I just forget to tell you that you don't have to use any kind of soap or any kind of face wash after cleansing your face. And now we'll start with the exfoliating. So for exfoliating we need 2 ingredients. One is salt, a tablespoon of salt, and again half a teaspoon of oil, and then we will mix it. So I generally use rock salt. In general also in my pantry I use rock salt for my cooking, and because rock salt have a lot minerals in it which help your skin to give you nourishment. Oil, you can use any oil which is available with you. It's not mandatory that you have to use coconut oil. You can use olive oil or tea tree oil, whatsoever suits your skin, and it's available with you. Right now availability is the main concern because we cannot go out and buy the product. Exfoliating we don't use every day. We have to do it for twice or thrice a week. So I'm back again and I have washed my face thoroughly, and you might feel some redness after exfoliating if your skin is really sensitive, like I also do have it. But that's perfectly fine. That is normal. That is totally normal. And for mask I need 2 tablespoons of besan, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 tablespoons of milk and a pinch of turmeric. You have to blend all the ingredients together in a fine paste. And for this step, I'll take a brush and apply it all over my face. While I'm applying it, let me tell you the benefit. So besan is basically a natural tan remover. So if you have any kind of tanning on your face, or might be any kind of acne spots or blemishes, then this will help you remove that. And turmeric have anti-inflammatory properties in it, which will calm down any kind of redness on your face, and it will also prevent your, if you have any kind of acne, active acne, it will also prevent the bacteria to spread. Whereas the raw milk, which is rich in antioxidant in it, and it will moisturize your skin cell from inside and keep your skin hydrated the whole day. So the last one is honey, which open up your pore to clean them and get rid of any kind of blackheads or oily dirt inside your pores. So that's the benefit of all the 4 ingredients in this mask. Generally, we keep this mask for 3 to 4 minutes, but you yourself will also feel when to remove it. As you can see, it's completely dry, so I'll go and wash my face. And while washing, you have to take care that you don't have to rub it thoroughly, but you just have to pat dry with some water and then slowly try to remove it. You don't have to do like we did it in exfoliating. It's a mask. We just have to remove it, and we have to do it very gently. Can you see this glowing skin? Can you see this glowing skin? Wow. So I generally do exfoliating twice a week, and I prefer to do it in the night because my skin is little sensitive. So sometimes I feel some redness after doing that. I'm taking this Cetaphil moisturizing cream, and I will apply it all over my face. That's it for the video. I hope you like the video, and if you do, please hit the like button. It will help you, it will motivate me to get going, and stay safe, stay inside, stay safe. God bless you all. Thank you.